I think this is a unique story in which our mummy in this movie, brilliantly played by Sofia Boutella, she's wronged. She arises after 5,000 years with a vengeance that I think we'll understand. And that gives it something very contemporary and at the same time rooted in the tradition of the myths. But this is a very new take. We're going to go to the zero-G plane, which in fact is a whole separate unit. It's actually based in an airfield in France. And so for real, we're going to take this set, we're going to put it inside this special aircraft, which takes off and does these parabolas, creating weightlessness, actual weightlessness. And so you'll see these characters get thrown around this plane, and they will for real be weightless. The plane is dubbed the Vomit Comet.